All right, so on this roof, this is Mr. Bowman's roof. We got the front slope approved, but we have a continuous ridge with no ridge vent, which means in order to replace the front slope, we have to remove the shingles on the ridge, which could affect the back slope. According to manufacturer's recommendations and installation procedures, we have to overlap the felt on the adjacent slope when there's no vent available. So what I'm going to be doing is removing the ridge cap shingles and the first couple of rows of shingles on this back slope, because I want to see where the felt overlaps and if we can even effectively do that without damaging the shingles on the back slope. So I'm going to start here in the corner. Try to get these off as carefully as possible. I'm trying to keep this all intact as one continuous piece, so I do have to take the nails out. I'm obviously going to have to put them back in. But I'll take care of that here in a bit as soon as I get this undone. Find the edge of the shingle here. Right here. So I'm going to remove the ridge up here because that's where this shingle right here ends, and I don't want to go any further than that because, like I said, all I'm trying to do is see if we can even do this without affecting these shingles, and I need to see where that felt is overlapping, if it's coming from the front back slope of both. Here. And this one. I just want to point out that where you see me prying is where the nails are. I'm not prying where the adhesive is. Here. So you can go ahead and see right here, before I even got to the underlayment, the back slope is overlapped onto the shingles on the front slope. We have no choice but to manipulate the shingles on the back slope. A repairability has already been sent in. We've already proven these shingles are in a non-repairable condition. So we have no choice, as I said, to manipulate the shingles on the back slope. Since they are not in a repairable condition, we're gonna damage every shingle following the ridge, and we can't leave damaged shingles up here. So we have no choice but to replace the back slope as well. Okay.